Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely Range Rover Sport 2007. This is the product i96 and it comes with a Bluetooth authorization tag. How the system works is every time you jump in the car, as long as it sees authorization by this tag, you'll get a melody and you'll be able to start it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to turn the ignition on. You're going to hear a melody. There you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Obviously, if the tag's not present, then you won't be able to start it. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take the battery out of this tag, and then you're going to see that the vehicle won't start. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I've actually taken the battery out of the tag. I'm going to attempt to start it. So if I put the key in the ignition and try and start it, the vehicle won't start. See, vehicle won't start. Won't start. As soon as I put the battery in, you'll see we'll get a melody and the vehicle will start. So I'll do that now. Battery is now back in the tag. Turn on the ignition. There you go, melody. Start the vehicle. Also with this system, you can pair it up with a smartphone as authorization, and should the battery go flat in your phone or should you damage that tag, behind here there is a 4-digit PIN code with an override procedure on how to disarm it should anything fail. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.